Yes, and people, welcome back to a brand new YouTube channel because it's my channel, Football Fanatic. Today we're going to Bramall to watch Sheffield United versus Norwich, second v 11th in the Sky Bet Championship. Looking forward to this game. Second time going to Bramall. Sheffield United obviously 1-1 in the last 5, not coming to this poor form. Defeat gets said, can't say in the FA Cup, fewer defeats as well and draws. Norwich 3 wins in the last 5, lost against Brighton last time out in the FA Cup. But looking at Norwich, haven't beaten Sheffield for about 6-7 years. They drew a few times, haven't won, so looking to get redemption for that. But obviously, it should be a good game, and obviously looking forward to it. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, please remember to leave that comment, subscribe. Obviously, doing another ground up today, second time going. Norwich City win, love Norwich City fans, never seen that so far from them. But yeah, should be good, and yeah, they also signed. I don't think Sheffield United have any ins and outs of foul with David Radford. I think so. Nothing they have, but Norwich City have brought in Anas Bil Salami, whatever you call him, whatever his name is, from Sheffield United for 1.7 million, 6 million. Should be a good sign for them. Did well from chips with a few goals and assists as well, on loan in first half of the season. I've also signed a new player as well. I don't know his name, but he's a foreign player from Czech Republic, stuff like that, dude. I will date you on that, but yeah, 2 signs far for them. I'm looking to build up the table into the playoff spots, but yeah, we'll see you down there. Peace. Okay, so we are currently at Sheffield train station. Sheffield train station. Just got here about 10 minutes ago, kick-off's in about an hour and a half. Look forward to this game. Bramall, good atmosphere, second place in the league. Opportunity to push points on Burnley, because Burnley drew against Sunderland. Obviously, 0-0 last night, so that's an opportunity for Sheffield United to push back. And but yeah, it should be a good game today, obviously, and looking forward to it anyway again. Norwich City, but yeah, it should be a good game, and obviously, both teams got good quality sets of players, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But obviously, Chris Wilder is known for promotions, obviously, with Sheffield United past and stuff as well, obviously. But yeah, looking forward to this game, and I'll see you down there. Peace. Although I've got any microphone, by the way, I hope this helps audio stuff. People said that, so yeah. Really good. 4 hours away, incredible. Game started, kick off. Sheffield United Norwich City. Oh, come on! Wait, get out! Oh, give it back. Yes. You could be the first man. Sheffield, unfortunately. I didn't see it cross the line, but aim or whoever it was, but it's been unfortunate because Norwich played well so far. Had a lot of possession, a couple of shots, but been in the game. It's nothing like it. Just missed it by a few seconds, but he did go over the line. But 1-0 to Sheffield. Unfortunate about that. Still only 25 minutes ago. It's a hell of a strike for him. Good save, but very good strike, very good save. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's go. What is this? Sorry, boss. Those needs to better in that. Took a lot of pressure. Good save. Great save, man. It's good there. Really good save. Okay, understood. Good goalkeeper. Very cool. Half-time, Sheffield United 1, Norwich City 0. Norwich are more ball possession, more shots, and Norwich trying to get through the roll 1-0 to Sheffield United. Half-time, Bramall scoring 1-0. Sheffield United had more possession, also had more shots as well. Could have scored another one. Tried to chip the keeper, but some of the same place for the defenders in the back. You see better, it's not been good enough for Norwich. They barely had a few shots in the goal, not good enough there. He's been better in the second half. Get a goal or Sheffield get through the goal. Just get back into it. Sheffield better side. See offense so far. 1-0. Second half. Second half starting. See if anything back Crawford. Norwich need to lift it. Sheffield United will move it. Good start already. Good lift. Come on, deal with it, deal with it. Oh, you give it back straight back. What's the shot? Drive, counter! Hey, fucking show, let's go. Oh. Win it, yes. Go on. Go on. Go. No way, come on. He's given a penalty. He's given a penalty there. It's 2-0. Penalty. The same one. It's unfortunate. I don't see what he's a penalty from him. He's given a penalty. It's 2-0. It's unfortunate. The other way off the Sheffield United, atmosphere now. It's 2-0. To be fair, he did deserve it, but Norwich need to offer more. Come on! Watch the defending. Good save, well done. Well done there. Still need more pressure, more goals. Definitely 2-0. Could be more up there. Yeah, still put pressure on the top. 2-0 out. Oh. Come on, Red! Good ball. Put more pressure in on Sheffield again. Get rid of it! Good defending. Look at that.
Have a go.
Sheffield 1, Norwich 0, Sheffield 2, 2-0 to Sheffield wins. Pause, watch them 2-0.